Good morning, everybody. Sunday morning, and I'm going to give you a little before shot of the garage. So what I'm going to do today is go through all that stuff over here, you know, put it where it goes. It's kind of taking up a lot of space, so finally going to get to that and put everything away and get it organized. And so I just wanted to give you a little shot of what it looks like right now. I'll probably make that look a little better over there too. That's what I got going on today. Probably gonna throw the ball for Cashier right now before I get started on the garage. He needs to get his exercise in. But anyway, yep, here we go.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah, they said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah, frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag? Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah, they say Nick, what you got up in that bag? Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah, they said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah, they said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah, they said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
about 3 hours later, and this is what it looks like now. I'm not done all the way. I still got some boxes to go through, but I definitely freed up a bunch of room, much more open, cleaner, organized. But like I said, I still got some stuff to get rid of, and some of those are gifts down there, so those will be gone after Christmas. Nice and organized for the most part. Just got so much stuff, it's hard to get rid of it all, make it disappear. So there's one more thing that I wanted to add that I'm gonna do to the garage to help keep it organized and create some more room in here, but I'm going to build some shelves that, I mean, pretty much run from over here, probably a good 10 feet wide, I'm gonna guess. I haven't really done any measurements yet, but that whole wall for the most part, and probably a good 6 feet high, maybe 8. So I'll have tons of shelving, keep things a lot more organized, and I forgot to mention that earlier when I was cleaning.
Thanks for watching Donnie's first cleaning video. We will see you guys in our next one. Bye guys.